Okay, current rules for telephone area codes allow the use of digits 2 to 9 for the first digit and 0 to 9 for the second and third digits, but the last two digits can not both be 1 to avoid confusion with area codes such as 911. How many different area codes are possible with these rules? So for the telephone number, we're trying to find out how many possibility for the area codes. So for the area codes, we are picking uh, 3-digit area code. Okay, and for the first one, we have this option from 2 to 9. So there are 8 options for the first one. So uh, the area code, there are 3-digit area code. Let's say A, B, and C. For the option for A, there are these numbers you can pick 2 to 9. So how many numbers are there? There are 8 numbers. So 8 possibility for the first one. And for the second and third one, from 0 to 9, that means 10 possibility. For the second one, it's 10, and then third one is also 10. But there is one restriction. Second one and third one cannot be both 1 1 at the same time. So altogether, if we don't use that restriction 1 1, the total number of possibility for the area code is 8 times 10 times 10 using counting principle, which is 800. But out of this 800, we do not want the area code A1 times 1, A11. We don't want this form. So we need to find out how many of 3-digit number we can form like this A11. For the A, there are 8 different options. So the numbers where you have 1 1 like this, there are 8 different possibility, because for the first one, for the A, you could have 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So if you use all those possibility, these are the options you have available: 211, 311, 411, 511, 611, 711, 811, 911. So these are the 8 different options. They are also included in this 800s different possibility for the area code, but we don't want this 8 different possibility, so we have to subtract that 8 from 800, and that eventually gives us 792 different option for area code. Okay, so that's the answer for the first. How many possible area codes are there? That's a 792. Now we want to go further, and we are trying to form 10-digit phone number. So the first 3-digit is the area code. We know that there are 792 possibility to create the first 3-digit area code. And let's go to go further in the given information here. We answer how many different area codes are possible with these rules. That same rule applies to the exchange number. Exchange number means next 4-digit number after 3-digit area code. Think about your phone number. The first 3 number is your area code, and next 4 number is your exchange codes. And the same rule applies for the next 4 numbers. So same rule applies to the exchange number, which are the next 3-digit. That's called the exchange code. So you have the same possibility for next 3-digit. Like we know A, B, C, now D, E, F, and then last 4-digit. Let's say Z, H, I, Z. For the first 3-digit, we know there are 792 possibility. And by doing the same thing for the next 3-digit, again, because we are applying the same rule for the next 3-digit, there will be 792 possibility. 792 for the first 3-digit, 792 for the next 3-digit. And now for rest of this 4-digit number, if you read the instruction you have given here, That same rule applies to the exchange number, which are the 3 digit immediately preceding the last 4 digit of a phone number. Given both of those rules, how many 10-digit phone number are possible? So we know the first 3 digit, there are 792 possibility, next 3 digit 792 possibility, and for this rest of the four number, for each of them you have 10 different possible options, 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. Okay, you just have to multiply all these numbers to get the answer for your possibility for the 10 digit 10 digit phone number. So just multiply 792 times 792 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, which is 10,000, and that will give you the answer for the next one. And let's use a calculator here. 792 7 what is that 7 792 times 792 times 10 times 10 times 10 is 10,000. So that's 627 264 and 4 zeros, which is actually bigger than this 400 million. So the option, you have to pick the first one. There are enough phone numbers. There are a total of 627 627, and let me go back and check the number here. 627 264 264 1 2 3 4 zeros. So this number is greater than 400 million, so that is the option. Total 10 digit phone number we can create by using this rule. And here one thing you have to keep in mind is we're just applying the counting principle, counting rule, meaning for each digit what are the possible, how many possible options we have available, and you just need to multiply all those possibility to create 10 digit phone number.